If you're scrolling through Instagram or Facebook and spot an ad for Mason and Harper Charleston, promising dreamy linen dresses or vintage-inspired bags at a steal, pause right there. I did some digging, and here's what you need to know before you hit that Buy Now button. First off, there's no official scam alert out for Mason and Harper Charleston. But, big but, there are tons of similar boutiques with almost identical layouts and names, like Sarah and Kate Charleston or just Harper Boutique, that have raised some serious red flags. Here's what I found. These sites usually claim they're based in places like Charleston or London, but in reality, they have zero physical presence there. Most of the time, they're just drop-shipping cheap knockoffs from overseas. Think China, not Charleston. And the quality? Let's just say, if you're expecting natural fabrics like linen or real leather, you're probably gonna be disappointed. Most reviews I found say the items are 100% polyester or plastic, even when the website promises otherwise. Now, about returns. Technically, they say you can send stuff back, but in practice? Good luck. You'll usually be told to ship your return all the way to China, at your own cost. Spoiler. That's often more expensive than what you paid for the item, or they might offer you a tiny refund, like $13 on a $90 dress, just to keep you quiet. And those gorgeous product photos? Yeah, they're usually swiped from real designers or influencers. What you get in the mail won't look anything like what you saw online. So, what's your best move if you've already ordered? Don't wait. Contact your bank or credit card company and start a chargeback. According to tons of threads on Reddit, that's the only way most people ever see their money again.